Okay, I forgot my bike. I forget everything. I even forgot the filter for the front camera, so you want to see windshield glare. I don't know what's going on with me today. I'm really here to try and put some heat into the car before Saturday, which is my first HPDE event. So let's go and get that done. Just trying things out. It is rainy and rained, so a couple people's driveways are washed out. Man, there's a nice curvy section here too. Let's see if we could get around them somehow. I may have to take an alternate route. Man, I could just do a U-E. Let's just do a U-E. excessive downshift, and it was composed. Well, that's that, guys. Thank you very much for coming along for the ride. Everything seems normal. Clutch still works fine, brakes working good. I didn't really push it that hard, but it's still a good sign after some major maintenance. Catch me in the next video, guys. Later.